one. It's snowing right now in Aurora, Colorado. It's like 11 o'clock in the night, and there's some random car outside. But it's definitely not mine. Not my parents' one. It was very cloudy earlier. Like when I was like in my classes. It started it was like be like when I just woke up, or like this morning, it was like all sunny, but now it's like cloudy. And I had to wake up so early. I'm really tired right now. Also, furnace is running. Let me just turn on the flashlight real quick. Alright. Vent right here. It's in my bedroom. Alright, there we go. That one light, I forgot to say it. But there's this one word that is that name of that light. Sorry, I'm really trouble breathing right now. There is also like a light right over, yeah, that light over there. That one has been having problems lately. It's in a storage building. And if you see that road right over there, let me zoom in real quick. The road over there. There was like something that happened like yesterday, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, but just turn green light. But that light, can you see? Hold on. That light over there. That one has been having a lot of problems. Like when I'm staying up at night, and I always see that light flickering. And also sometimes when it's already getting dark. Block Sky over and out.